Getting into the crypto space to start making money online begins with knowing how to buy and sell crypto. Before you are able to do that, you need a crypto exchange wallet with platforms like Binance or Coinbase. These platforms are trusted and they have proved to be very, very reliable when it comes to securing your crypto.
Bring me my money.
So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be making use of the Binance platform. This is the Binance platform where you buy and sell crypto. Binance has over 170 million plus users that buy, sell and hold cryptocurrencies on this platform. Binance can work both on your desktop and mobile phone devices. So I'm going to show you two methods on how you can buy crypto. First method is buying directly from Binance, and the second method is buying directly from the Binance P2P market. Of course, they are all from Binance, but these two methods differ because of the conversion rate. The first method, where you buy from Binance, requires you to use either your credit card or any other form of payment. Binance actually regulates that conversion rate from your fiat currency, which is like your local currency, to the cryptocurrency. While the second method, which is the P2P, is a method in which you buy from another user, like peer-to-peer service, where Binance come in between and escrow to monitor this process to ensure that all the process and the transaction is very, very smooth. In this case, the user sets their prices based on how much they are willing to buy and sell. So to get started with this process, to open your crypto account, click on this box you're seeing right here, then you enter your email, then click on this button that says get started. I already have a Binance account. I am not going to be opening a new account. I'm just going to carry you through the process of how to get this done. So to buy crypto, as you can see right here at the top, you see buy crypto, market and trade. So we're going to be focused on buy crypto and trade. Under buy crypto, as you can see, if I click on buy crypto, it takes me to this area where it says buy crypto. Various payment methods available. You will see buy and you will see sell. So you will click on buy and then you enter the currency you wish to pay with. So in this case, I enter NGN, which is Nigerian Naira. Under here, you can see BTC. So you click here and select the currency you want to buy. So we are buying USDT, so I'm going to click on USDT, right? Then come back here, enter the amount of money you want to use to buy this USDT in Naira. Let's say, for example, I want to buy 10,000 Naira worth of USDT, so I'm going to enter 10,000 Naira here. So it says I'm going to get the equivalent of 8.3 USDT. So when I click on login, it takes me to a place where I can now log in and make the payment for this transaction. Because I already have an account, I'm just going to log in right here. This is the verification process. I just have to select bosses and then I click verify. I'm just going to enter my password. The verification code has been sent to my email. As you can see, login verification, and then I copy the verification code from here and I paste it right here. Stay logged in. I'm going to say yes. We are using the first method of buying, which is buying directly from Binance exchange platform. The second method we said is P2P. So this first method simply means you are buying directly from Binance, not another user. We are going to talk about how to buy from another user shortly. So I'll come right here now and click on buy again. I come here, I enter 10,000 Naira because that is the what I want to buy. And you see price has dropped. Initially it was 8 USDT. So for 10,000 Naira worth of USDT, I'm going to get 6.4 USDT only. All you have to do is keep coming back here to check. If the price is okay by you, then you can proceed to add your new card and buy. So assuming you are okay with the rate, after checking, you just simply click on add new card and then you can enter your card details and make the payment just like this. When you click on add new card, you enter your card details and then you can make the payment, as you can see, just like this. You click on confirm and your crypto will be deposited into your wallet. But then I will not recommend using this process to buy because you're going to get a very, very low rate. So I will recommend using the second method, which we are about to talk about, and that is using this option called trade, and then you come to P2P right here. So I'm going to click on P2P. It's going to take me all the way to this P2P market where I can buy and sell from other users that are in the market right now. We have Unique Global, we have Ola J, we have Bello Swap. We have so many users right here that are selling. As you can see, this yellow icon that is stick good right here means that this user has been verified. Remember, like I said earlier, that you have to look out for these users that are verified. You should only transact with users that are verified on this Binance platform. So as you can see right here, the price is 1,198 naira to 1 USDT. The minimum is trading is 4,000 to 5,000 naira, and he has a PalmPay account. So the next option we have 1,200, 1,201. As you scroll up, you're going to see that the prices keeps increasing, or the price keeps changing depending on who is selling. Assuming we're okay with this very first seller that you can see right here, I'm going to come right here and click on buy USDT. So before we continue with our tutorial, if you are getting value from this video so far,
We're on the road to 100 subscribers.
and if you are yet to join the family, please like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get right back into the video. After clicking on buy, it takes you to this point where you can see the statistics of the seller. Payment time limit is 15 minutes, average release time is 46 minutes, and available is 39 USDT. This means that this seller has 39 USDT in his wallet, and we are not about to buy all of that. We just want to buy 10,000 naira worth of USDT. You are going to receive 8.3 USDT as against buying directly from the Binance platform, where it's supposed to give you 6 USDT if you can remember effectively. This is why I recommend buying in the P2P market, because you have the options to compare your prices and know who you're buying from as well. Alright, so as you can see, this person is only taking order limits of 4,000 to 5,000 naira. So I can come here and just put 5,000 naira so that we can have 4.17 USDT, and we can simply buy this twice, right? I've entered 5,000 naira as the amount I want to use to purchase this USDT. I'm going to be receiving 4.7 USDT in my wallet, so I just click on buy. It says the order has been successfully placed. This is the account number, and this is the name of the seller. This is the reference as well. All I have to do is to transfer 5,000 naira to this account number, and I click on transferred, notify seller. Alright, so also note that when you are making these transfers to the seller, do not include any crypto related word in your narrative, because these banks are often jealous of crypto. What happens here is that Binance is going to deduct 4.17 USDT from this person's account and put it on hold. After this seller confirms that I have made the payment, Binance will release this 4.1 USDT into my account. After making the payment, remember to click on transferred, notify seller, so that Binance will release this 4.17 USDT to your account, because the user is going to confirm that you have made payment. Let's talk about how to sell. Looking at this icons right here, you can see this is the first one we clicked on earlier, which is buy. But right now we are no longer going to click on buy, we'll click on sell, because we want to now sell our USDT. So after clicking on sell, you see there are so many people right here that are buying, right? So this person is buying 1 USDT at 1,192 naira. Once you see an amount that you're okay with and it meets the available limit that you have in your wallet, you simply click on sell USDT. So for example, if I am okay with selling my USDT for this price, I'm just going to come right here and click on sell, and it takes me right here to this page where I'm going to enter the amount of USDT that I want to sell. Let's say for example I want to sell 4 USDT. I will just enter 4. Once you enter the amount you want to sell in USDT, it automatically generates the amount in naira that you are going to receive. You come down below and set your payment method. All you have to do is click on this icon, and it's going to show you an option to add. I've already added my payment method, which is OPay. Add whatever payment method that you want to use, whatever bank that you are using, and that will be okay. Once that is done, you click on sell, and it's going to withdraw 4 USDT from your account, and then notify this particular buyer to make payments to your OPay account or whatever bank accounts that you are using. And once you receive the payment in your local bank account, you come back right here and click on verify, just like how the buyer verified that he has received the funds when you were buying. So this is how simple it is to buy and sell here on the Binance P2P market. Yes, you finally know how to buy and sell crypto on the Binance platform. If you are still looking for more ways to make money online, this video right here is going to show you exactly how you can do that, because I'll be right there waiting for you. I'll see you then.